Platform business models and the platform economy are headline news. 7 of the world's 8 largest organisations by market cap are some form of platform organisation. They orchestrate many thousands of organisations and components to fulfil a variety of needs for customers. What's more important for organisations to understand is the concept of modern business ecosystems. They're beginning to replace industries. And all forms of organisations are beginning to feel the impact of modern ecosystems and the platform businesses that orchestrate them. So the concept of a business ecosystem is not new. We've had it for at least 10 years, the concept. What's changing though is that the nature or the focus of the business ecosystem is shifting. Historically, a business ecosystem has been centered on an organization or a set of products or services. Increasingly, modern business ecosystems are focused on a customer journey or a component of a customer journey, or in fact a customer need. The focus has shifted from inside to outside. The biggest challenge for a traditional firm to take the leap from a pipeline business model to a platform business model is largely around mindset. Pipeline businesses own the rights to production. Platform businesses own the right to orchestration. And so the dynamics of how that organization operates and coordinates itself is vastly different. Platform business models cede control to the market, and that is a really tough thing for many organizations to get their heads around.